Hi everyone, this is a continuation of carbon and its compound, part 7, hydrocarbon. See, the organic compound containing only carbon and hydrogen are called as hydrocarbon. The major source of hydrocarbon is petroleum. The hydrocarbon are classified into saturated, unsaturated. So, what is the main classification? See, in class 10 you are going to study only about a saturated and unsaturated. The classification is very important. What is a hydrocarbon? Hydrocarbon can be classified into two important things: open chain hydrocarbon, closed chain hydrocarbon. This you will be studying elaborately in class 11. So in open chain hydrocarbon you will be studying about an alkane, alkene, alkyne. So the alkyne, the saturated hydrocarbon containing a single bond. Alkene and alkyne, it is having a double bond and triple bond. The closed chain hydrocarbons are alicyclic aromatic. You will be seeing example for all this classification, but in this thing we are going to study mainly about what is saturated, what is unsaturated, um, how to draw the electron dot structure for the structure. Next, so what is the important difference between the saturated and unsaturated? Without knowing this, we cannot go into the depth. So first we will study what is the difference between saturated and unsaturated. Now we have seen what is the classification of hydrocarbon and what is the difference between the saturated and unsaturated. After this, we will be studying the depth about how to draw the saturated and unsaturated compound. See, the saturated hydrocarbon which contain only single covalent compound. So I have explained everything about what is a covalent bond, ionic bond, how it is formed, everything. If just go through the previous videos. So the hydrocarbon which contain only single carbon covalent bond is called as alkane. See, you can identify with the suffix. When it is ending with ane, it means that it is a single carbon. So it is a single bond, that is it is a single carbon covalent covalent bond, and their general electronic configuration is Cn H2n plus 2. How to calculate for each compound I'll draw and show in the next upcoming videos. So unsaturated hydrocarbon which contain one or more double or triple bond between the carbon compounds. See here, for the single compound it has the suffix ane, and for the double carbon it has a suffix ene, and for the triple, that is it is for the triple bond, that is for the double bond, single bond it is ane suffix, and for the double bond it is ene, and for the triple bond it is yne. And how you can identify whether it is a saturated or unsaturated, you by seeing the compound is their general formula: CnH2n for the double bond and CnH2n minus 2 for the triple bond, and C single bond is for the saturated hydrocarbon. Thank you children. I'll be continuing with the next upcoming topic. Just go through, subscribe. If you have any doubt, just pass the message in the comment box. Thank you.